Welcome to eVadikai. We recently launched our POS systems in our shopper panel. Now I am going to explain how the POS systems will work and then how it will be useful for shoppers to get more sales from their end customer. Once you can log in your shopper panel, you can go to the left hand side, see there is a new menu called point of sale. We made this POS is like very minimalistic, so, and very useful for every shoppers. So I'm just explaining. This we created this based on our already existing user shoppers feedback, and our R&D research team has given inputs. It will be. I hope this will be very useful for every shoppers. Very useful features for every shoppers. Now, this scenario is like when your customer calling to your phone or the customer walking to your shop, you first your approach ask your customer to give their phone number. Example like one customer called you for a placing order. First you need to ask, sir, can I know your mobile number? Now, once the customer given their mobile number, I am just entering the mobile number. Then you can click search. You can able to see if the customer already registered with us. It will show that name and how much amount they purchased already, how many times they purchased. This history you can able to see for the particular customers. Once yes, the customer is confirmed, yes, this is my number, okay, then you can press that. Then it should be showing enable the option to place an order for behalf of the customer. Now here you can able to see all your listed products here in a drop down. Here you can able to search like urd dal, like it will come, and then you need to select that 1 kg we have, and then how many quantity, one quantity, then you can press save. Then next one, if they are asking for chana dal, then you go here and then press, and then how many, to save. So this kind of what are the orders they want to, you can simply able to type and then you can filter like a sugar. Yes, you put that and then comes to the list. Like we can able to place the order 500 grams, two numbers, then press. So once the customer you finish that all the orders, you can able to see that what is the total amount for the particular order. Then you can that the customer has, if they call, the customer called you and then they said delivery for home, you can able to use delivery option. If the customer says customer in front of you, you can able to still you can able to use this system. You place order on behalf of the customer. Then you can able to select self pickup. Example, this one, the coupon code, you can generate some specific coupon code for your valuable customers. You can use that coupon code for the particular customer. You can able to create a coupon code for 2%. That keep that coupon code, you don't disclose anyone. When if you feel this customer is valuable customer for you, you can able to put the coupon code, apply the coupon value, and then you can able to give the discount, so that the customer will still do more purchase with you. Then come back and then see, then everything is fine, you can able to click proceed. It will ask if you have a swipe machine something, you can able to swipe that, which are the payment model which the customer is like a cash, you can able to press cash, and then you can able to, if you don't want to do anything with this, it will not mandatory fields. Then if you press proceed, that's all, you placed the order. Once this place order, you can, if you want, you can take a print. We suggest is like we don't want to take a print because the eco-friendly, so the systems will we can avoid the paperless digital system. So always that this same amount, the same SMS, the end customer will get their SMS. Also they can once if existing customer, if they log into their panel, they can able to see this order automatically. So they can able to see that same list of orders, everything to their panel. Okay, so other scenarios, if the customer is not already registered with you, how it will work for new customers, how this system will increase your sales, I will explain to you. Okay, so when your customer placing order, previously you have to tell the customers we have some online order portal, so you can able to place, you can go visit our website or app, and then you can be able to place your order. So in that case, your customer response will be limited. It's like 50% of customer will listen you and then they can forget about that. Then again come back, they again called you, or they come back to your shop and then they do purchase. So if you do that because of them, it will immediately, the customer will get a SMS. Hi, welcome to KK store. You can place your order has been processed. You place your coming orders using our app and website, something like that, so that the end customer has to use it. Some end customer comes again to you, so they think like that when you visit the shop again, they will do for us again this system only. Why we can do it ourselves? Why we need to wait there? Why we need to call them? So their mindset will be little bit changing, and then next time mostly they place order through online. So we can able to migrate those customers to online. So this is a better way you can able to sell your move or sell your customers, sell your products, the existing customer using online. We think like that this will be workable for every shop. I hope this will be very easy to increase your sales, and then get on board all your offline customers to the system. So once the customers comes into the system, you get all mobile number, name, everything. Then you can able to do some SMS marketing, you do some notification, everything you can able to do that. So that will be helpful for your increasing more your sale, and then increase your product value, increase your brand value mainly. So if you have this will be very useful for initially you have to do 2 to 3 orders because of the customer. Then the customer will use to it, and then customer say, yes sir, from next time onwards I will put the order, come and pick up, or you can deliver. So the customer mindset will be totally changing because of this. Hope this will be very helpful for every small shops, medium shops, or everything. So this, once the place order, you can go and see here, it will be automatically, you can able to see here those orders. So this is what that the POS systems will work, and then this will be helpful for you to again, if you enter a number, you can able to see my value. See, my value got increased. So I made 2 purchase in the KK store. I made a 2 purchase like that. So you can able to evaluate the customers, how frequently the customer purchasing you, something like that. You can evaluate the customers. So these systems will help you to streamline your sales, and then offline, online, everything put together, make your customers more user friendly, increasing your sales, everything you can able to do that. Hope this will be very helpful for you. Please share your feedback. We are listening all your feedbacks and comments. We will make the products better shape. Thank you so much for your valuable time to see this video. We'll see you other video. Thank you.